Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you all how to download and install UnhackMe antivirus anti-malware software for your PC without that your PC can run slowly without due to the virus and malware attacks on your PC. So I will show you how to download UnhackMe for your PC and recover and run it easily and very functionate fastly. So first we will go to our Chrome browser and search here UnhackMe, download and open this website. First of all, greatis.com. so open this. It is a malware killer and anti-malware for your PC. This is very best and fantastic software. So UnhackMe rating is 5/5, 4% by 5, reviewed by the users. So anti-malware killer for Windows. So variant is 14.40.2022.1122 of November 2022. So this is the version of UnhackMe anti-malware software. So greetings, this is the author introduction and how they work for in this software and how they created this. So you can see here this is the dark theme of user interface software. You can see here dark theme and the light theme. This is the light theme of downloading and installing the UnhackMe software. This is the reviews of the user. They uses the UnhackMe software on Facebook. After that, UnhackMe has been reviewing malware since 2005. You can see here since 2005. More than 10 million downloads have been done from this website. And UnhackMe is completely free of 30 days. You can download free trial version for your PC. For 30 days you can download without any disturbance. 30-day money back guarantee, and you can buy your purchase variant pro variant for your PC here. If you want to check out the pricing plans of UnhackMe pro variant, you can see here buy now, and after that we will see here the pricing plans of UnhackMe software anti-malware. So you can see here the one download is about $40 UnhackMe Warrior, and premium that is $30. After that, the method to how to purchase is the using your debit card, PayPal, checkout with Amazon, Fire transfer. These are the method and platform using purchase your software. Okay, so we will go to about that and check out the capabilities and functions of the that antivirus. What's name is UnhackMe anti-malware. So UnhackMe is compatible with all known antivirus software and detects new and unknown malware. It detects your unknown malware in PC and not an antivirus. It allows you to inspect and remove suspicious items manually. It's not an antivirus. He is clearing the term that is not an antivirus. It just allows you to inspect and remove suspicious item manually. You will need to manually delete suspicious item in your PC. Okay, you have full control over your system. So with this, your PC is in full control and it's very safe. The UnhackMe installation file is less than 50 MB size. Installation size is 50 MB, and UnhackMe does not slow down your PC because of the light side. It does not scan in real time. Okay, you can see on the feature of the first class support. So these are the features. Buy now or download now free here. Okay, people say these are the reviews of the users. They downloaded and installed it. Their award. UnhackMe is an outstanding producer and given the excellent award by its user Michael Gaines updater.com. Okay, so these are the all about UnhackMe. Okay, UnhackMe edition comparison. You can see the comparison between business professional for repair shops, features about differences. Okay, online scanning with courier, yes, available. Professional available. For repair shops available. Portable, that is not available in business edition, and available in professional edition, and available in for repair shops. Okay, licensing for using on multiple PCs, that is not available in business and professional 50 and unlimited in PC repair shop. The pricing is $59.80, $60 about in business, and professional is about in $100, and for repair shop is about in $70. You can buy here what you want to buy for your PC. Okay, best offer for home user, standard double family. These are the feature availability and the pricing plan difference between the difference edition of UnhackMe Firewall Home Edition users. Okay, why UnhackMe? UnhackMe is an antivirus. It is best edition in your antivirus. Okay, so these are the capabilities, features, and installation guides, and other settings of the more about the UnhackMe software. Okay, so we will download for free trial for our PC here, and try to install in our PC. How to? Let's see, download from here, and you can see that UnhackMe help you easily. So okay, download from here. What's wrong with it? Yes, accept and download. So you can see here, accept and download. Download feature class support for 30 days. You can download it for 30 days free trial. Okay, that's latest version is about, you can see here, and that's date is 2022, and that is installer size is 44 MB. So I will download here. Yes, UnhackMe on desktop. I will save on desktop. You can see here, download installation setup is going to be downloaded, and that size is 44 MB. After that, you will need to install it and full setup in your PC, and run it in your PC, and enjoy the speedy PC at your home. Thank you so much. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.